What up, you guys? So I'm going to share with you really quickly a Michael's haul. Now, the first couple items I'm going to share with you is what hubby got for me, and he got it on sale, so good thing, because the last time hubby went to Michael's, he purchased everything not on sale. So I was super excited about this. This is the craft stack organizer, holds up to 160 washi tapes. I put all my washi tape in it, you guys. It's awesome. I want one more. I need one more because I have some holiday washi tape that I didn't insert in here that I had put away. So yeah, and I need another one. Okay, so he got this for $19.99. The original price, I believe, was $39.99. $39.99, yes. And they do have a smaller one, and I think that was a little bit cheaper too, but I can't remember. But I know this is the one he got for $19.99. It's the bigger one. The next thing I actually requested this was these scrapbook cases, and they hold a 12 by 12 inch paper. I don't have a huge collection of paper, but I figured 2 would be fine. They also, I think, came in pink, he told me. But I just wanted these 2 colors for now. And then maybe I'll pick up another one at a later time. I think he got this for $4 on sale. Oh my goodness, I saw this. I went to Michael's with my sister-in-law on Saturday. And we picked some stuff up. This was $3.99. The original price is $9.99. It comes with a little washi tape, a little sticky note, and some stickers for your planner. So this is for my cousin. My cousin has that same exact dog, so I thought that would be really cute to gift her. I also picked up these magnetic floral, what are these called? Bookmarks? I don't even know. But they're super cute. They come 4 in a pack, and they have the floral, the heart shape, and then the little saying, be happy, be bright, be you. It's a wonderful world out there. So I got this for $1.99. The next thing I picked up from Michael's were these stickers. Now, you guys, this didn't have a tag on it. This was in the clearance section. I'm going to actually open them up so you guys can see what they really are. And I actually wanted to take a better look at them. So I took them out so you guys can take a look. They have adhesive in the back. And, okay, so let's talk about it real quickly. You know how much I paid for these, you guys? I paid 50 cents for this package. And the only reason why I paid 50 cents because they didn't have a tag on the top. Plus, they were in the clearance section. So I went to the gentleman in front of the store that worked there. And he was the manager. And I told him that I found this in the clearance section. Do you know how much it is? And he goes, if you really want them, 50 cents for you. I'm the manager. He gave me his name. I went up to the cashier when I was ready. And I told her that he was, 50 cents. And he gave it to me for 50 cents. But come to find out, guys, this is actually $3.99, I believe. And this is like a whole collection. But maybe it was in the clearance section because it didn't have a tag. That's what I was thinking. I was actually looking for the tag for about 5 minutes in that section there, but I couldn't find it. So yeah, you guys, I was super excited about these. If you guys hear like a staticky noise, I really do apologize. I'm gonna have to purchase a new set of headphones because I believe these headphones, I think they're not gonna be working anymore. So, and I use it for the mic to do voiceovers. So I might need to invest in another pair of headphones. Okay, so look at these cute little bumblebees. Oh my goodness. I'm mad that I only get 2 though. But anyway, and always be lovely. So that's super cute. The next thing I was super excited to find were these Bible journaling stickers. Now it says $3.99 on it, but I actually got it for, I believe, $1.99. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm looking at the receipt in front of me. Yeah, I think they were $1.99. Or 99 cents. Yeah, no, $1.99. So I purchased these for my mom, and I was excited for that because she can use it for her traveler's notebook, or she can use it for any of her planners that she has. I just thought this was perfect for her. And then I found this. Now this seems like from this is the Recollections 770 pieces, and this is, I believe, from the Christmas maybe. So I'm gonna go really quickly here and do a quick little flip through. And what I noticed, I think you get like doubles in some sheets. So you get little washi strips. some tags or flags, I should say, little icons, little quotes. It's just super cute, and little sayings there. Oh my goodness. When I saw this, actually my sister-in-law helped me find this because she purchased it online for her mother-in-law. So I was thankful that my sister-in-law was with me to help me and find these and know that they're on sale, because she already knew they were on sale. So I was really happy about this. And when I got in the car, I FaceTimed my mom. I was like, Mom, look what I found for you. Okay, so this washi tape I got for 99 cents, you guys. You get 2 in there, original price $4.99. So that is from my Mama Dukes as well. And I was super happy to find that. The next thing I found were these cute kitty cat washi tape, you guys. Christmas collection. Now, there were only 2 left, so my sister-in-law picked up one. I picked up one. I have a friend who loves cats, so I figured I'll gift that to her. And it's just so cute. And then I was in the clearance section and I saw this. It says, I'm a lady with catitude, and has a cat. And oh my goodness, super cute. It was original price $9.99 and I got it for $1.99. What an awesome deal. And I had to grab it because that's such a great deal. And my friend loves cats, and I figure I'll give her a little goodie bag, a little goodie thing, and gift her. I think this will go with her home decor because she says she has a lot of black in her home. But I don't know about the red, but I think she'll love it. Next thing I picked up, I went to the 99-cent store. I got a couple of more items, but not too exciting. So I just got these, $1.49. I figure I'll embellish pocket letters with that. And I also stopped at Five Below. Haven't been there in a while. So I just picked up a handful of things. This cute little unicorn washi tape, unicorn stickers, and the heart-shaped floral stickers. I thought that was super cute for $1 each. And I needed some colored pencils. And these are cool because they come silver and gold. So I picked up those. I don't even know how much this were, you guys. I forget. So I thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys haven't checked out some of my last year DIYs for Valentine's Day, please check them out. They're right here, and I'll link them down below as well. And I'll check you guys next time. Bye.